Hey there, fellow marketers and business enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that's taking the digital marketing world by storm: WhatsApp marketing services. If you're wondering why you should invest in this game-changing strategy, you are in for a treat. We've got 12 solid reasons that will leave you convinced that WhatsApp marketing services are the way to go. So, let's get started. Reason number 1, direct connection. Picture this, a direct line to your customers' pockets. WhatsApp marketing allows you to connect with your audience instantly, without getting lost in the sea of emails or social media posts. Reason number 2, high open rates. Unlike emails that might languish in the unread folder, WhatsApp messages boast sky-high open rates. Your message is practically guaranteed to be seen. Reason number 3, personalized engagement. Engaging with your customers on a personal level is the key to building relationships. WhatsApp lets you tailor your messages, making your audience feel valued and understood. Reason number 4, multimedia magic. Spice up your messages with images, videos, and documents. It's like bringing your content to life right in your customers' hands. Reason number 5, quick customer support. Your customers have questions, and WhatsApp is your direct hotline to provide instant answers. Swift customer support can elevate your brand's reputation. Reason number 6, global outreach. With WhatsApp's extensive user base, you're not just connecting locally, you're reaching a global audience. Expand your horizons like never before. Doing WhatsApp marketing using WhatsWaves provides you with the feature to extract contacts, which is also a rare feature available. Reason number 7, cost-effective strategy. Marketing budgets can be tight, but WhatsApp marketing using WhatsWaves is budget-friendly. You get incredible value for your investment. Reason number 8, trust and transparency. WhatsApp's end-to-end encryption ensures the privacy of your conversations, building trust between your brand and your customers. Reason number 9, conversion boost. Engaging with customers directly on WhatsApp can guide them through the sales funnel, boosting conversions and driving revenue. Reason number 10, insights at your fingertips. Engaging with customers directly on WhatsApp can guide them through the sales funnel, boosting conversions and driving revenue. Reason number 11, customer retention and loyalty. Consistent communication nurtures lasting relationships. Your customers will feel connected and loyal to your brand. Reason number 12, future-proof marketing. With the digital landscape evolving, WhatsApp marketing is a forward-looking strategy that aligns with how people communicate today. And there you have it, guys, 12 compelling reasons why investing in WhatsApp marketing services is a no-brainer. It's time to unlock the full potential of your marketing efforts. Ready to explore this groundbreaking strategy? Head over to our website for more in-depth details and upgrade your marketing strategy to the next level with most economical pricing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting discussions. Until next time, keep marketing and keep winning.